Hi and welcome to Bobby Reviews. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make a landing page for an affiliate product, or in fact any product that you may want to promote. So if you want to make a pre-sale page, a bridge page, a warm-up page, a landing page, they're all different terms for the same thing. So it's just a page where you can pre-sell or warm up traffic prior to sending them on to a sales page. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this video. So in previous videos, we looked at how to make good landing pages in general and the qualities that a good landing page should have. Also looked at thank you pages. Today, we're going to be looking specifically at how to make a landing page for your affiliate product. So first of all, I'm going to find a product to use as an example for this landing page video. So let's go into any one of these is okay. Let's pick health and fitness. So I'm going to find a product, none in particular. I'm going to go for, let's see, what should I go for? I'm going to go for the Lost Book of Remedies. So I'm going to view the mobile. What we need to do is first of all have a look at what the sales page or the video sales letter looks like for this particular product, and we work back from there. Our goal is to make sure that our landing page and the sales page is all congruent and consistent in the language, in the layouts, in the theme that they all have, and this all helps to subconsciously build trust in our prospects. So let me go ahead and open up this Lost Book of Remedies. We're going to view the mobile. So this is the video sales letter. So what you need to do when you're building your landing page for your product is, we are looking at an affiliate product in this particular video, but the same thing applies regardless to what you're selling. The landing page needs to be congruent and in the same theme and feel as the sales page. So this is basically the sales page in a video form. So what we need to do is have a listen to the sales video, see what the lady is saying. If this is a sales page that we're going to be sending our visitors to, then we need to know what is in this video, what the theme and feel of the video is, so that we can now make a landing page which is consistent with that. Also, the affiliate products would have an affiliate page where you can find things like email swipe, content which you can use in promoting the product. So let's go ahead and have a look at that. So this is what we have in the affiliate section. And what we need to do is look through here for ideas. We don't need to start thinking of what to write for this particular product, because really all the information we need for our landing page or our warm-up page is in here. So we just need to scan through what this information is, and we're going to basically take what is here and we're going to use these on our landing page. So get a general feel of what is being sold. So here it has the most powerful remedies, growing it in your states. Just have a look through our best converting banners and text. So here's a good example of something you can use on your landing page. What happens if you put salt into a cabbage? The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. So we're scanning through for ideas that we can use on our landing page. So basically something that is attention grabbing, we can just maybe just copy it, we can maybe edit it, shorten it, and we're going to put it into our landing page. Here's an idea we can use as a headline: the medicinal plants hiding in your backyard. You can write something like the secrets medicinal plants hiding in your backyard. If you see this plant in your backyard, burn it immediately. We could do these as attention grabbing headlines on our landing page. But what we need to make sure is that when we come to the sales letter, this video sales letter, that what we put on the landing page is consistent with what this video sales letter is saying. So definitely you'd watch the video.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Appelli.
I'm Dr. Nicole Appelli.
I'm an herbalist.
So what we need, we'll go back to our landing page builder. So we're in Aweber again. Let me just focus this. Okay, so we're going to look for a landing page. We're going to build a landing page, which is going to be similar in feel and theme as the video sales letter or sales copy. So this is where our prospects, our visitors would land if they opted in to view the video. So we're looking for a landing page which is going to have this kind of feel. So let's look through the templates. We can look through here, just see anything that grabs our eye. Already I can see something. Let's just look through again. Any of these we can change out. Like I said in my previous videos, any of these templates we can alter to a great extent. But we can also be lazy and look for something that doesn't need too much work. So I've seen something that's grabbed my eye, which is this one. So that's how it looks on preview, and I quite like the look of this. So let's go ahead and work with this template. So I've chosen the template and it's brought us out onto design. So we're now going to start building our landing page. Okay, so at the top, I'm not going to put a logo, so we can delete that. Instead, in this space, I'm going to put some text. That's going to where our header is going to go. So I just take that text element and drop it into here. Okay, and then we can look for text that we are going to add into this space. So let's go back to the video sales letter to look for words that we can put in this space, something attention grabbing. Let's try this. I'm going to go back and put that into here. Right, and then we're going to make the words a lot larger. So now let's see how that feels when you go from what happens if you put salt into a cabbage to the video sales letter. Discover the forgotten power of plants.
My undergraduate degree at McGill University. My master's at the University of Oregon.
Now, I don't think that's the best transition. What happens if you put salt into a cabbage to what this lady is saying? So I think I'm going to just pick, I'm just being lazy here, the forgotten power of plants. Okay? Let's discover the forgotten power of plants. So let's just go with something like that for the headline. Have we forgotten the power of plants? Something like that, yeah? Right, so let's just say we're going to use this for our headline. It's not the best headline, but I'm just going to, just to give you the idea of what we're trying to create. Something that eases nicely from the landing page to the sales page. Okay, when they read, have we forgotten the power of plants? And then the page they come onto is discover the forgotten power of plants with Nico Appeling. It flows. It's all the same kind of message. So this is not necessarily the best headline, but the message I'm trying to give is it needs to be congruent. So what we say on this landing page needs to blend in very nicely to the sales page that they will land on after clicking that they are interested. All right, so let's just continue with modifying this page. This is not a sales page. Like I said before, you can pick any of the templates, and even though this is for a simple product sale, this template, we're not doing a sales on this page. We can just remove this. All right, so we're not selling anything on this page. This is just a warm-up page. So I'm just going to delete this button here. Now I'm going to go back to design. What I want to try and do now is to make this background more green. So I'm going to go into the background section and we're going to work on the color. So we want to pick a greeny background that will blend nicely with the sales page. So we can just change it around a little bit. Something like that maybe. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Then we're going to add a row. And this is where we're going to put our button. So we've added another row. And we're going to put our button in here. This is going to be where we're going to put information that says something like show me more, watch video. Okay, so let's just delete that. We don't need this bit. So we're going to add a button here. There we are. I'm going to drop that. Okay, so that's it. And our alignment of the button, we want it to be in the middle. We can change the shape, make it square, circular, square in shape. Going back to our text size. That's a lot bigger now, isn't it? So what else can we take from our video sales page or our affiliate page to put onto our landing page? So we can put something like Dr. reveals ancient secrets of plants. Okay, so click here to learn more. Click here to watch video. We can put, yes. So Doctor reveals ancient secrets of plants. This is not the best copy, but what I'm just trying to show in this video is how you need to stay consistent in the feel and theme of your landing page and your sales page. So still on the button, we need to put where, after pressing this, where this is going to lead us to. So after your visitors click on watch video now or learn more now, they're going to go to your affiliate page. So you're going to copy that URL and you're going to put it in here so that when they click on watch video now, that's the page they're going to see. All right, so we just need to check that the style of this page, the wording, the feel of this page is consistent. This page is consistent with this page. So you can even look at things like the fonts, the size of the fonts, things like that. So you can get very detailed and you can test different things in your landing page. The main thing is to be sure that the feel of this landing page is consistent to the sales page that they're going to arrive on. So if I took my time, I can fine tune this so that this green is even more like this green, and the wordings on the landing page will be even better. But I don't want to spend too long on this video. I just want to give you the general idea of what you're going for. All right, so just keeping the colors, the fonts, the language, all that kind of thing, keeping it all consistent. The landing page, keeping it consistent with the sales page. You can put a little bit more information. This is very brief. You can just put a little bit more information in here based on what information has been given to you inside the video sales letter or the copy. So just, it's just very important that you read it's very important that you read the copy that's been given to you so that you really understand what you're promoting, and listen to the video sales letter if there's one, because you definitely need, for good conversions, you definitely need to be saying the same thing, the same kind of thing on the landing page. You don't want to be saying one thing and then when your visitor watches the video sales letter, it's not in line with what you have said on the landing page. So it's very important. Okay, and that's the main things really. We can just preview. If you're happy with it, you can go ahead and save and exit. We didn't name our page, did we? So let's call that let's just call it plant reveal. All right, so that's it. We can save and exit. Okay, that's our page. We're happy with it. We can publish it and we're ready to go. And that's the URL there. If we wanted to make any more changes, we can go ahead and do that and edit. So that's our final landing page. So that's how to make a landing page for your affiliate product, and it's as simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please do give me a like, do subscribe for weekly helpful videos, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.